Hi, welcome to Read Aloud EDU. I'm so excited to read Jabari Jumps by Gaia Cornwall. This is a wonderful story with a great lesson about naming your feelings. A lot of times we feel our feelings in our belly. It's important to listen to your feelings and learn from them. Jabari jumps. I'm jumping off the diving board today, Jabari told his dad. Really? Said his dad. Well, that's exciting. The diving board was high and maybe a little scary, but Jabari had finished his swimming lessons and passed his swim test, and now he was ready to jump. I'm a great jumper, said Jabari, so I'm not scared at all. Look, he's jumping. Jabari watched the other kids climb the long ladder. They walked all the way out to the end of the board, as big as tiny bugs. See, they look little. Then they stood on the edge. They spread their arms and bent their knees and sprang up, up, up. And then they dove down, down, down. Splash! Looks easy, Jabari said. But when his dad squeezed his hand, Jabari squeezed back. Jabari stood at the bottom of the ladder. He looked up. You can go before me if you want, he told the kid behind him. I need to think about what kind of special jump I'm going to do. He's thinking. Jabari thought and thought. Jabari started to climb. Up and up. This ladder is very tall, he thought. Are you okay? Called his dad. I'm just a little tired, said Jabari. Maybe you should climb down and take a tiny rest, said his dad. A tiny rest sounded like a good idea. When he got to the bottom, Jabari remembered something. I forgot to do my stretches, he said to his dad. Look at these nice stretches. Stretching is very important, said his dad. I think tomorrow might be a better day for jumping, Jabari said. They looked up at the diving board together. It's okay to feel a little scared, said his dad. Sometimes, if I feel a little scared, I take a deep breath and tell myself I am ready. And you know what? Sometimes it stops feeling scary and feels a little like a surprise. Jabari loved surprises. See, this is the important part. Jabari feels a little scared and a little nervous because that is very tall. And his dad talked to him about it. So if you feel a feeling in your belly, make sure you talk to your family, and they have good ideas to help. Jabari took a deep breath and felt it fill his body from the ends of his hair right down to the tips of his toes. Jabari looked up. He began to climb up and up and up and up until he got to the top. Jabari stood up straight. He walked all the way to the end of the board. Wow, Jabari is being brave. His toes curled around the rough edge. See? We're looking down into the great big pool. It's like we're up on the diving board with Jabari. Do you think he'll do it? Jabari looked out as far as he could see. He felt like he was ready. I love surprises, he whispered. He's ready. I see his dad and sister. They're waiting. He did it. He took a deep breath and spread his arms and bent his knees. Then he sprang up off the board, flying. Yay, go Jabari! Jabari hit the water with a splash. Down, down, down he went. And then back up. Whoosh! Look at the big smile. Now Jabari feels proud. He did it. Jabari, you did it, said his dad. I did it, said Jabari. I'm a great jumper. And you know what? What? Said his dad. What do you think? Surprise double backflip is next. Yay! Well, that is great. So we got to learn that Jabari felt scared. He felt nervous. He talked to his dad. He learned to take a deep breath and think of the nervous and scared feelings as being a nice, fun surprise. And then he tried, and he was brave, and then he felt proud. That's 5 different feelings. Thank you for reading with me.